Hello cuties and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then do not forget to click the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. I celebrated my 26th birthday last week. So I thought why not I should share with you all the cute gifts that I got.
Before we move ahead, let me tell you, this video is not any sort of show off. मैं ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ because I personally love consuming such content जहाँ पे people are just unwrapping their gifts जो भी उनको उनके special occasions पे मिलते हैं. And I also love receiving gifts. Does not matter कि तुम मुझे एक huge gift दे रहे हो. If you're giving me a cute small handwritten note, it will be closest to my heart.
And also, boys and girls, this can also help you serve as a gifting guide. I am very grateful to all the people जिन्होंने मुझे ये गिफ्ट्स दिए हैं. Not only these gifts, जिन्होंने मुझे मेरे बर्थडे पे विश किया था, जिन्होंने मेरे बर्थडे पे मुझे बहुत ज्यादा स्पेशल फील कराया था. Trust me, I just love you all. So without any further ado, let's see what all I got. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I celebrated my birthday in Goa. And that whole trip was sponsored by my friends and my partner. This was such a huge gift and I was so emotional about it. They also got me birthday flowers, which were white roses. Trust me, I'm not a fan of roses, especially red ones, but ये bouquet इतना ज़्यादा सुंदर था and now I can say that I love roses, especially the white ones. And as soon as we entered the B&B, I saw that they got the room decorated as well and I just loved it. The first birthday gift that I got were these sneakers. These are Adidas campus sneakers and I saw them last year but I couldn't get my size in it and I did not know कि मुझे ये birthday gift में मिल जाएंगे. I mean, I know this would not be the first choice for many. You would like to go for black or white, but trust me, मैंने जैसे ये green वाले देखे थे, oh my god, I was in love. I am not even a sneakerhead. तब भी I just loved them. I got another pair of footwear as a gift and these are heels from Stilettos. So I have a similar one in green but उसकी जो heels है वो थोड़ी सी बड़ी है, so I wanted one in shorter ones. So my mom got me these. These go well with your ethnic outfits, your dresses and everything. I styled them on my birthday lunch as well. Oh my god, so pretty. So my parents and my brother gifted me these super cute gold earrings. So glad they gifted me small stud ones because larger ones I don't like और मुझे डर लगता है मैं खो भी दूंगी. And these I can actually style every day. I just got lots and lots of handbags. The first one is this. So this is a handmade bag by her mother. And this looks so pretty. They also have an Instagram page with the name Syuta. You can just go and check it out. The second one is this beige colored mid-sized bag. I do not have a lot of bags like this and I remember when I was a kid तब college going girls कुछ इस type के bags carry करती थी. So whenever I am going for a outdoor shoot मैं इसके अंदर अपना बहुत सारा सामान fit कर सकती हूँ, like my tripod, mic, etc. and everything, and I'm just sorted. Another beige colored bag which looks like a shorter version of पुराना वाला bag but I love it. I had such a bag और वो मेरा खराब हो गया था, so I'm so glad कि मुझे similar bag वापस मिल गया है. This is the last Q2 bag that I got and this just screams my name because I love carrying such statement pieces. बहुत अच्छा लगता है ऐसी vibrant चीजें अपने साथ carry कर. I can carry it very well with my dresses and साथ ही साथ मैं इसको शादियों पे भी style कर सकती हूँ, so I'm super excited. Now let's talk about all the clothes that I got. This is the first dress that I got as a gift. It's from Savannah. By the way, मैं इसे already style कर चुकी हूँ on beach. So I'll put some reference images यहाँ पे so you can look at it कि ये कितनी सुंदर dress है. Second thing I got is this pair of pants and top. I just love the color. Like I love blue color in general also, but this is so cute. I mean, such a pretty color this is. And to go with it, we have white pants. I just love when gifts have these type of messages or anything. I got this pack of perfume and mist by And. This is how it looks like and I checked the fragrance earlier. This is like a very fresh scent, ocean breezy sort of scent. I think perfect to go for the daytime. I got this box from Body Shop and it also has a cute happy birthday written over here which I just personally love.
It was packed with this cute ribbon जो मैंने आते ही खोल दिया था because I was so excited to open my birthday gifts.
मैं बॉक्स देख के ही समझ गई थी कि this is in my favorite variant British Rose and especially their shower gel. It's crazy good. Next are some utility gifts. The first one is this mic. I was anyway thinking of buying a new mic but I got this in gift. The best part is it has two mics. One I'm already using, you can see, and one is here. So अगर एक discharge हो जाता है so you can quickly move on to the second one. And अगर आप दो लोग video बना रहे हो so both of you can have the mic on and the voice would be super clear. Second is this cute remote which I have been using to create video abhi. So you can simply connect it with Bluetooth and ये button आप click करोगे so your video will start or your photo will be clicked. Basically these two things are making my content creation life super easy and I love receiving gifts which are super useful to you. Next are some accessories and other items. Let me show you each one. Glasses from Westside and I particularly love the case. और अब मैं जब भी travel करने वाली हूँ मैं इसी case के साथ travel करने वाली हूँ. These are so trendy. I hope these suit my face. अगर नहीं भी करेंगे so I'm gonna carry them like this because this looks super cool. What do you guys think? Do these glasses suit me? I have a set of under eye patches from Studio West and these are from Savannah. I love how they are in tones of lavender, purple, lilac, etc. These two pair of earrings and I love how different they are from the ones I already own. So last but not the least, the gift that I gave myself on this birthday is this. I'm not sure for how many of you this would be considered luxury. For me, it definitely is. I'm not a fan of collecting luxury handbags, but it was something that I wanted to gift myself for all the hard work that I have been doing. So I thought once I'm able to reach all the goals that I had set for myself, through content creation, I'll be buying this. And it happened this year, so I thought what would be better than my birthday to gift it to myself. So let me quickly show you how it looks like.
So I have already styled it on my birthday and on my birthday lunch as well.
There you go. Totally in love with this beauty. And I went for the black color because I thought this will go with everything and it comes with a long belt too. So I would just like to say that I am super proud of myself for doing this. Showed you all the amazing gifts but completely forgot about the cakes. So this year I got not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 amazing birthday cakes. The idea of getting a birthday cake excites me so much. मैं खत्म कभी नहीं कर पाती हूँ, but I just love it. This is something that I did not receive on this birthday, but the last one. But क्योंकि last year मैंने ऐसी कोई video नहीं बनाई थी जिसमें मैंने ऐसे अपने gifts दिखाए थे, so I'm showing this to you guys this time for the purpose of gifting guide कि आप क्या gift कर सकते हो. This is a very good option. ये मुझे मेरे colleagues ने last birthday पे दिया था and trust me, I was super happy to receive this. And also the color. Blue color, I love it. So this was all about the gifts that I received on my birthday. And if you have made it to the end of this video और अभी तक subscribe नहीं करा है तो जाते जाते subscribe जरूर करके जाना. And do comment about the gift that you liked most. And Instagram पे भी follow जरूर कर लेना. Bye. Love you all.